Hello? Hello?
Hello, Cheryl.
Yeah?
Cheryl. Nice to connect
Yep.
with you, Cheryl. This is Ella. Thank you for calling us.
Okay.
Um, so let me pull up the notes really quick. You mentioned you have several properties you want to sell.
Yes, I don't recall calling you, but that's okay. Go ahead. Might
Oh,
have been one of my daughters who called you.
okay. But you ladies want to sell, right?
Yeah. I'm looking to
Okay.
sell
And what can you tell me about the houses?
fire 2 years ago. So there is no standing house on the property. And
Okay, and what happened to the house?
the house is almost 300 years old and it just needs to come down.
Oh, wow, it needs to be teared down. Okay. And how much do you want for these three properties?
Hold on one second. I'm looking at between the two properties, approximately 400,000. I know that I know that land in Dighton is very expensive and very valuable.
So that way we can go see the house that's standing and also go see the other land to see
You can,
like
you, I have no problem with people coming out to look at the house or the land. However, I cannot give you access to the inside of the house. My daughter and son-in-law and granddaughter live there now, and they have four god dogs that are not friendly.
oh
So I
my
can't.
god.
It's,
Okay. It's not necessary for us to go all in. Probably we can just go by. I don't know if your daughter would want to meet us while we're there
I
or your son in
have
law.
no have, I have no problem walking you around the whole property so you know what everything is encompassed and stuff like that. It's just going into the house.
Yeah, that's okay.
I saw that. For your safety of mine, I don't want something to happen. The dog freak
Yeah.
out and they can attack you or bite
Yeah.
somebody. God dogs. So,
No, it's okay. We can start the conversations. Probably we're gonna want to see if we can still use the foundation on the other land for the fire damaged property, and it would be
okay.
really good, like to chat in person too. But let me ask you something. Would that be the best price we can get for the three properties?
I'm willing. It's only two properties.
Okay.
You keep saying three. It's only two.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So
There is some wiggle room in there. Yeah. I mean, I'm not dead set 400. No, I understand there are things that need to be done, on your half, on my half, and stuff like that. Second house doesn't have a strong foundation. Yeah. The second house was a mobile home, so there is no actual foundation. Oh my God. Could you hold on one second? Can you write this number down and figure out who it is and call them so they can stop calling me? Like four? Okay, sorry. I just needed to something going on with the phone.
no worries.
It was a mobile home that had been, oh my gosh, the mobile home had been there since like 19.
Okay. Mostly the land. So
Yeah.
I mean, I'm gonna talk to my partner. Probably we're gonna go down there, um, and we're gonna call you just to make an offer. But I mean, just to have a better idea, and that way I can also know we can be the right buyer. Like, is there like any room for negotiation? You open to like, is there any like margin that you would say, look, I'm willing to go down as much as this much, and we can, work our way up.
Right. Right now, I own the property with my ex-husband. I would, when you come to look at it, I would like to be there just in case. You never know if dogs get loose or something. I mean, I don't have any problem with the dogs, but I want to be there for safety reasons and stuff like that. And either one of my children or my actual husband now will walk easily around to the premises because they know where everything is and stuff like that. I mean, I don't mind making the time to fly and see it. That's fine.
Okay. And are you firm on the 400,000 for the package, or man, can we like?
But we can work with it. We
Okay.
can work. It's
Okay.
not an automatic firm decision.
Okay.
My biggest thing is I would like to get rid of both properties at the same time. They have They've been in my family since the 1920s and been handed down from one generation to another. Finally got down to me, same house, yes. And I just want to have always been like lost together, so I kind of like it to stay that way, that they both go at the same time. I mean, what you
Yeah.
guys do with it afterwards, I don't care. It's no longer mine, but that's the way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, is there a specific day or time you'd like to come and look at it?
Let me confirm with my partner because right now I'm visiting my family down there in Florida, but he's local. His name is. Let me text you both names because they are actually my partner. Let me just call him after a call. I'm gonna explain the situation, and either I call you back or text you to confirm a time, or he calls you back, and I will let you know ahead, right? Like so you know he's gonna be calling you and what his phone number is. I know a lot of people may be calling you about this.
Okay. It would be better if he could just text me and say, "Hey, my name is," and then I can call him back. I get so many spam phone calls that sometimes I just get rid of and just delete everybody that wants to talk to me about it. I get all those things from the government because I'm on retirement. You know, we could do this for you, we could do that for you, and it's like I don't know who you people are, and like hang up them because it's just a phone number. So if he would text and say, "Hey, this is my number, my name is from," and I'll call him back, or I'll text him back and say, "Okay, you can call," and that way I'll be looking for the number.
Perfect, perfect. And I will speak with him and make sure you have his contact number for head. That way, you know who is contacting you. I know spam is really
Yes.
crazy, even for us investors. People call
Yes.
me and try to get my social. I'm like, what you talking about, boy?
Yes.
No worries. My pleasure, Sherry. Remember, my name is Ellen. Gonna be contacting you. Hopefully, we can do something about this. We definitely interested. Okay?
Alrighty. Thank you.
My pleasure.